In our last video, we were given a set of characteristics for the parabola, and we were told produce the equation for that parabola. Happily, the parabola we were looking at were parabolas whose vertex is at the origin. But this time, we are going to level up. We shall be given a parabola with certain characteristics, and the vertex need not be at the origin. And our task is to find the equation. So this is different. Before, we were given the equation, we sketched the graph. Now, we are given the characteristics. Sometimes it's a graph, sometimes it's not. It can be an information about the vertex and focus, and then from there, we write the equation. So what is the equation of the parabola with vertex 4, 3 and focus at 4, 2? It always helps to sketch or plot the points. Why? Because you want to see the orientation of your axis. Knowing the axis will help you narrow down your choice for the equation. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3. That is your vertex. Focus is 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2. So the line through that is your axis. It is vertical, and so right away, you know that your parabola opens downward because that is your vertex and this is your focus. That is the relationship between the vertex and focus. The focus is always in the interior space or interior region of your parabola, so it opens downward. So right away, our choices are narrowed down to this type of equation. Our axis is vertical, it's x, which gets squared. So our next task is to just write the vertex and value of a. So it's easy to get the vertex. HK. HK. So you just write it there. Now, how about the value of a? Look at that. This is your vertex. A is the directed distance of your focus from the vertex. So what is the directed distance of your focus from the vertex? It's not 1, it's -1 because our focus is below the vertex. It's -1. 4 times -1 is -4. So this one is our equation for a parabola with vertex 4, 3 and focus at 4, 2. Find the equation of a parabola with vertex at 4, -2. It opens to the left and has a latus rectum of 8. Okay, what are the keywords here? Opens to the left. Axis is horizontal. Right away, this is your choice for the equation or for the form of your equation. What gets squared is y. H is 4. K is -2. Okay, you check that. You already got that. The challenge here is, what is the value of a? You will get it from the latus rectum. So this requires you to know, to keep in your mind, what is the length of your latus rectum. The latus rectum is the focal width. The length of your latus rectum is the absolute value of 4 times a. A here can be positive or negative, depending on where your parabola opens to. This one is equal to 8. It's given. Let's solve for a. So the absolute value of a is 2. But a here can be positive or negative too. What do we choose? We choose negative. Why? Because our parabola opens to the left. If it opens to the right, we choose positive 2. Y, okay, look at that. Minus k, so y minus -2, so it becomes y plus 2, then squared, is equal to 4 times -2. That's -8 times x minus h, or x minus 4.